Hello guys, I'm Tony back again with another new motivational video, the success story of Johnny Depp. I think you know that guy who is played to movies in Pirates. You know the Pirates movies that is called Jack Sparrow. Yes, today I'm talking about the Jack Sparrow's success motivational story. Please watch the video till to end and enjoy, and then learn from this successful story also. Rebuild your life. How Johnny Depp faced depression and didn't give up. A successful motivational story of Johnny Depp. How to rebuild your life and start again over. One day, the people that didn't believe in you will tell everyone how they met you. Johnny Depp moved often during his childhood. He and his sibling lived in more than 20 different villages. When he was 12, his mother bought him a guitar as a gift, and Johnny Depp fell in love with music. As a teenager, I was so insecure. I was the type of guy that never felt in because he never dared to choose. I was convinced I had absolutely no talent at all for nothing, and that thought took away my ambition to Johnny Depp. He played for a different bands in Los Angeles, but he didn't achieve some big success, and he was barely making any money. This road was not an easy path. For a few years, he worked very hard to make ends meet. He was doing many odd jobs to earn some of money to survive. One of those jobs was selling pens. For a few months, he even had to sleep in a friend's car. But his life changed when his wife introduced him to a Nicolas Cage, who advised him to pursue an acting career. But with the Pirates of Caribbean franchise and his amazing performance as the iconic Jack Sparrow made Johnny Depp one of the Hollywood's most recognizable faces. After years of hard work, failures, and rejection, Johnny Depp became one of the most successful actors in the world. But after his recent divorce, one of the hardest periods of his life began. He fell into a deep depression. But he is slowly trying to rebuild his life again. Every time it rains, it stops raining. Yes, every time it rains, it stops raining. Every time you get hurt, you heal after darkness. There is always light. You are reminded of this every morning, but still you often forget and instead choose to believe that the night will last forever. It won't nothing last forever. So, if things are good right now, enjoy it. It won't last forever. If things are bad, don't worry, because it won't last forever either. Just because life isn't easy at the moment doesn't mean you can't laugh. Just because something is bothering you doesn't mean you can't smile. Every moment gives you a new beginning and a new ending. You get a second chance every seconds. You just have to do it or make it the best of it. Thank you so much for watching this successful motivational story. I hope you like this video. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe to this channel. This is my channel. Life is time. Time is everything. So I hope if you like this video, please like, share, and comments. And what kind of video you want to next videos, and which success story you want to learn at the another videos. Please let me know. Comment me in the below down, and I will make for you the another interesting video. Thank you so much. Keep loving, keep supporting, and have a nice day.